Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to back up and restore your games on Steam. Let's get started. Step 1. Back up your game. Open your Steam library. Find the game you want to back up, right-click it, and select Properties. On the left-hand side, click Installed Files. Now click Backup Game Files. Steam will now ask you where to save the backup. Choose your location. In my case, I created a folder on my desktop called Steam Backup. Click Select Folder. Then click Create Backup. Wait for the process to finish. Steam will also show you how much storage the backup takes. When it's done, click Open Folder to see your backup. If you ever want to restore your game, take note of the folder where your backup is stored. Open Steam. In the top left corner, click Steam, then select Restore a Game Backup. Click Browse, navigate to the folder where your backup is saved, and select it. Now click Restore Backup. Steam will ask if you want to create desktop shortcuts. You can choose yes or no. Finally, click Install, and Steam will restore your game from the backup. And that's it. That's how you back up and restore your Steam games. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.